Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see backup photos in Google Photos. Now, first just open up the Google Photos app on your iPhone or Android, and you can see it says backing up photos, but I'm not necessarily sure which of these photos are actually backed up. There are a couple different things we'll check to be able to find that out. At the top right, let's tap on your profile button. And then we're going to scroll down, and towards the bottom, you can see Google Photos settings. Let's tap on that. And now at the very top, you can see backup, and it's currently backing up to my Google or Gmail account. Now on here, I have backup turned on, which is great, which means all of the photos and videos from my iPhone are being backed up. And you'll be able to see here, it is currently backing up and it has enough space. But it doesn't show me which photos and videos are actually already backed up and which ones haven't been backed up yet. To be able to find that out, unfortunately, we cannot do it in the Google Photos app. Let's open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome on your iPhone or Android. And to be able to see the photos that are already backed up, we're going to go to photos.google.com. Again, directly to photos.google.com. And now from here, the first thing we need to do is make sure we're in the same account. So tap on those three lines at the top left, and then tap on your profile button and make sure this is the account that you have synced up in your Google Photos app. After it is, you'll be able to see as you scroll down all of the photos and videos that are actually already on Google Photos. So if I tap on any of these, you'll be able to see I can tap on those three dots at the top right. You'll be able to see I can choose to download them, add them to an album, archive them, etc. But this has already been uploaded to Google Photos, and you'll be able to see all of the ones already on there just by scrolling through. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.